Hello everyone.
Hello.
I am Swati. I am a student and at this time I am learning speaking from DPS classes near Sukla, Mirzapur. Today I am going to tell you why we should have a target, goal and motto in our life. Why it is important. According to me, if you are a student and you do not have any target to achieve in life, your hard work is going to be vain. And first of all, you are only completing your studies and you are completing your graduation, your post graduation, and you do not have any target. So this is going to be fail because target is very important in our life. So I am also a student, so I am preparing for any examination. I am preparing for banking examination. So first of all, it is important that if you have a target for crack any examination, first of all you should have all the information about that examination. First of all, you have to know the core of the examination. Why, what is the subject you have to learn, what the time time management. Time management is also important. You have to manage your time day by day, and confidence, motivation. It is also important. If your parents are pushing you, please study beta, please study beta. This is not sufficient. If you do not have your own interest to do that work, this is very bad. A bad thing. And second, the thing is that if you want to crack any examination and you want to be in your comfort zone also. So according to me, firstly you have to leave your comfort zone and become passionate about your work, about your studies. And second thing is guide mentor is also important. I am also learning speaking. I have knowledge of vocab, everything, grammar also, but I do not have a path. How can I speak English very fluently? I am speaking. Suppose I am speaking at my home, but what the lackness, what the issues I have in my speaking, how can I know? So that's the reason I come here. I come here and meet a teacher, DPS sir, who provide me, who always pushing me and always motivating me and tell me the lackness of mine. How what the things I have to improve in my speaking. Before coming this coaching I speak, but at this time whatever I speak is given by him. So it's my suggestion you that if you do not have any mentor, any guide for learning any skill or crack any examination, so you have to firstly differentiate between your comfort zone, between your time management. So I want to say only two lines. जब आँखों में अरमान लिया, मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, आँखों में अरमान लिया, मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, फिर मुश्किल क्या और आसान क्या, जब ठान लिया तो ठान लिया. Thank you.